Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Pastor James from Restoration Christian Fellowship. Our reading for today is coming from Matthew chapter 4, verses 1 through 4a, and I'll be reading from the English Standard Version translation. Then Jesus was led up by the Spirit into the wilderness to be tempted by the devil. And after fasting 40 days and 40 nights, he was hungry. And the tempter came and said to him, "If you are the Son of God, command these stones to become loaves of bread." But he answered, "It is written." Jesus Christ is the exemplar when it comes to living a Christian life. He often told stories or parables that related to his audience. But when we read today's scripture, these life lessons have not been taught, because the master teacher, Jesus, is just launching his public ministry. Jesus doesn't send out an email blast, a group text, or even post on social media, or by the means of communication in his time. No, Jesus begins his ministry by fasting and praying. I know what you're saying or thinking to yourself. That doesn't sound exciting. There's nothing glamorous about fasting and praying. But if you want to be victorious in your life, when you're tempted, then we have to follow Jesus' example. Jesus fasted, he prayed, and then he spoke the word. The next time Satan tempts you, remind him that he is defeated, because it is written, we have the written word that became the living word that is on the inside of your heart. And what is in your heart becomes the weapon that will defeat your enemies. Get in the word, and the word will get in you. Be blessed.